Now, I don't know if you all, but I was fired up since January when the Lord began to talk about resetting and getting up every morning as one who has never offended, never been offended, as one who exercised authority in their jurisdiction, as one who knew who they were, made in the image of Almighty God, as one who could identify our present-day Eden as being our homes where Christ is welcome. What made Eden paradise was Adam's relationship with the Father. And when that relationship was disrupted, paradise was no longer paradise, even though all of the appointments were still there. Everything that God had made was still in Eden. What was disrupted was the relationship between God and Adam, which turned Eden into a fearful and even nightmarish place. Our homes are likewise Edens, but the absence of God and the absence of a hospitable spirit toward God will cause our homes to be places where we complain, live in fear, and strife, and contention. And so in order for us, what I learned and what we taught was that God wanted us, the redemption story and the atonement and salvation is a reset. God's desire to reestablish or what he had first established. You know, if he atones me, what is he going to atone me to? What is he bringing me to? Well, he wants us to get back to knowing who we are, to living in covenant with him and with one another, to understanding the authority that he gave us and the dominion that we have over our circumstances, and to understand that he has ordained good works that we should walk in. And so we're not lost anymore because now we know who we are. We know what we can do. And we have God. Come on, somebody. And he tilts the scale in our favor all the time. Since that revelation, we've had testimony after testimony how the Lord is reordering, restructuring in homes and in hearts and minds. And it's just downright exciting to me. So we're getting ready now. We're going to launch the 90-day intensive into that very thing that's going to give us specific details, knowledge of how to enact and to implant and to establish these things within our own hearts, within our marriages, families, in life for the remainder of our earthly existence. I don't think you want to miss this.
Join the movement with Apostle Quick, rebuilding the family and restoring the nation. Learn more at CFADD.org.